Hi, this is me, Amna with Flavor Hour. How are you guys? How is everyone doing today? So today I'll be teaching you recipe for how to make a nice vanilla sponge cake. So you can make this cake as a base for your all other cakes. If you're making a mousse cake, mango cake, strawberry mousse cake, or pineapple cake, you can just do or use it for anything you want. So let's start the recipe. I will be taking 4 eggs first. After you take your 4 eggs, you're gonna beat them at high speed. You can keep the speed slower of your mixer, but I would recommend keeping it on a high speed because you have to beat the eggs at least for 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture is really fluffy and little bit thickened. So as you can see, our mixture is getting fluffier and thicker, like whipping cream kind of. So now the eggs are really fluffy and thick. Now we're gonna add sugar. So basically I added 3/4 cup of a sugar, but you don't want to add sugar at the same time, just add them in batches. I made it 2 batches of sugar and that's how I added them. So beat them together until they're really mixed well. Next step is I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in it, and then I'll be mixing it again. Now our mixture is ready. Let's mix all the dry ingredients together. So I took 1 cup of flour. I'm adding cornstarch, which is 25 grams. And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift them all together so there are no clumps left. Once your dry ingredients are ready, add them into your mixture. Don't add all the dry ingredients at the same time. Split them in 2 and then add them gradually and mix them all together to avoid any clumping and for even baking. Our mixture is almost ready to be baked in that oven. So the last step is I'm adding water and oil together. So I took 1/4 cup of water and 3 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of oil, and I will be mixing them all together. This is the final step towards the vanilla sponge cake. Our batter is ready. I took this 9-inch pan and I already sprayed it with the baking spray so our cake doesn't stick to the pan, and I already put in the parchment paper. Pour your batter into the pan, or you can use 2 or 3 pans at the same time if you want to make a nice layers. Tap it together to remove any air bubbles. As you can see, our vanilla sponge cake is ready. It's super fluffy, really spongy, moist, and it's ready to be used in your recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Flavor Hour with Amna, and see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.